Hello and welcome to another MDAR video. In this one we're going to be showing you very quickly how to clean the glass panels using just a standard lens cleaning cloth with about 60% or more alcohol. So pop your finger on the glass panel on the divider shown and wait until the cleaning symbol appears and start scrolling, and then just go at it with the cloth and give it a good clean. Don't forget the edges, and do pay particular attention on the bottom right hand corner, just that you don't poke anything into the temperature sensor that's down there. And that's it, quick and easy. The standard panels without the OLEDs don't have this feature, and the edge lit panels with 2 or more buttons do have the feature. So press and hold your panel just like this until the cleaning mode starts, and then just give it a good wipe. So the standard ones don't have this, so you'll just have to be aware when you're cleaning them that you'll be triggering actions. You can go into Velbus Link and disable the buttons if you want to, or you could set a global set of actions in Velbus Link that disables the panels for a period of time if you want to clean them. Thank you for watching this short little tutorial video. If there's anything else you want to know about the Velbus range, feel free to get in touch.